Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I may or may not have successfully flipped a dresser.
I picked up this dresser from an online auction that, by the way, I was kind of upset about because when I went to pick up the dresser, there was, as you can see, a substantial amount of warping and damage to the top that the online description failed to mention. They also did not provide pictures of the damage on the top. I honestly would not have bid had I known the amount of damage that there was, and also the fact that this dresser has zero amounts of hardwood. It's all MDF particle board. After cleaning and rinsing, I removed the hardware and set it aside because I will be reusing them for this makeover. Because I had never repaired bubbled particle board before, I researched to try to find a solution. I came across Amy's video from Flip It Furniture where she carves out the damaged area and fills it with wood filler. I'll have her full tutorial linked in the description for you guys. I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty worried at this point thinking I was just creating a bigger mess. I took a 2-part wood filler and filled the larger areas of damage. I did end up needing to do this twice. Because there were so many small holes, I thought that this was the perfect opportunity to show you how to fill the smaller holes using STARBOND CA glue since drying time is pretty much just seconds. And I didn't want to remix the wood filler. If you have not heard about STARBOND adhesives, let me explain. They specialize in creating CA glue in different viscosities but also in different shades. This comes in super handy to fill small cracks, voids, knots, and hiding imperfections in wood. It basically eliminates drying time with the accelerator so you can continue to work compared to wood filler. It also does not shrink like wood filler does, and it is also stainable and paintable. I used the clear glue, but a tinted CA glue blends so well with the stained wood, so it's nice to have the option if, for example, you were to be staining a wooden top on a dresser that had any cracks or voids or imperfections. They were kind enough to give y'all a discount if you use the code Glenda10 at checkout for 10% off. You can find the link in the description. After the top was repaired, I scuff sanded everything and wiped away all of the dust. To prime, I am using 2 coats of the Sensorbent Shellac Primer with a foam roller. I decided to decoupage the top with tissue paper and Dixiebelles top coat for a more decorative touch. I was not worried about getting some wrinkles because you will see I will lightly distress it. But if you wanted to get a smooth finish, you can apply the top coat first, let it dry, and then place the tissue paper and iron it on with a parchment paper. As soon as it was dry, I lightly distressed it using 120 grit sandpaper and sealed it with one more coat of top coat. Now let's take a moment to remember what this dresser used to look like. And what it looks like now.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Although this dresser really isn't my style, I think that it'll look really good in a little girl's room or even a playroom or something like that. So hopefully it ends up selling. I'm so upset about the fact that I spent $30 on the dresser plus an extra $45 in material, honestly, because it's just low quality furniture and it had a lot of damage on it. So I just don't feel like it was worth my time and energy. With that being said though, I still think that I was successful at flipping the dresser, but let me know your thoughts in the comments below whether you think I was successful or not. I will update you guys on the community tab if and when I end up selling the dresser. So you guys stay tuned for that. Stay safe, be kind. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye.